The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.